Today on Macrocosmos, things about the closest planet to the Earth, Venus. Welcome to the Macrocosmos. In today's video, we will be talking about the closest planet to the Earth, Venus. So basically, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is 12,104 kilometers. Its temperature is 464 degrees Celsius, which is extremely hot. It's hot enough to evaporate water very quickly. As we know, simple science, water's evaporating point is 100 degrees Celsius, but Venus's temperature is higher than 100 degrees. As it's 464 degrees Celsius, it can evaporate water entirely and in less time. The Venus is also known as Earth's sister or twin because its size is similar to the Earth. See this diagram. So now we got the proof that Earth and Venus are almost similar sizes. But I bet you don't know that Venus is actually smaller than Earth. It's because of its thick and very thick atmosphere which makes Venus look same size of Earth. There, Venus's pressure is 90 times higher than the Earth, which means if we walk on Venus, we will get crushed instantly. So, now we know that why can't we step on Venus? And another main reason is that its volcanic activities. There are so many volcanoes present on Venus and it spews lava. It spews lava all the time. And another reason is that it rains sulfuric acid on Venus. Concentrated sulfuric acid. It rains on Venus. And this acid is so dangerous that it can melt and eat our body. So it also has lightning strikes so much. It's the second terrestrial planet from the sun. As we know, it's also the second planet from the sun. It's terrestrial because it's made up of rock, dust and dirt. And have you ever known that billions of years ago, Venus had a moon? Yes, billions of years ago, Venus had a moon. But which came from the collision of Venus colliding with one planet, which formed the moon. But when the moon formed, then in the next other few years, billion or billions, another planet collided with Venus and the Venus lost its moon. If that planet didn't collide with Venus, our Venus had still had one moon. Not like Mercury, it doesn't have any moon. So now we know that why Venus doesn't have moon. So now let's talk about its interior. First, I will show you the diagram of interior. Here is the diagram. Now we have seen the diagram. In the diagram you saw that Venus has a very thick crust, mantle and core. It is the same layers of Earth, but Venus core is so hot and mantle has more rock. Mantle again makes up almost 84 to 85% of planet's volume, just like Earth's mantle makes up 84% of volume. It is the thickest layer of Venus, located beneath the crust. As we know, we read in geography that crust floats on mantle since mantle is denser than the crust. Now we know that Venus is the hottest planet. So you might be wondering if Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and Venus is the second planet from the sun. So how come Venus is the hottest planet? Why not Mercury? In previous video, everything to know about Mercury, we knew. I discussed that. But in this video, I will discuss it again. I am telling you that due to greenhouse effect, Venus has a thick atmosphere, Just like Earth has atmosphere, Venus has also atmosphere. But there's very big difference. Venus' atmosphere is thick and Earth's atmosphere is thinner. Venus' atmosphere contains more carbon dioxide than any other gas, and Earth's atmosphere contains nitrogen and oxygen more than any other gas. Venus' atmosphere contains 94 to 96% carbon dioxide, but Earth's atmosphere contains only 1%. Due to this 1%, we are living on Earth, but on Venus it's impossible. And now we know that Venus's atmosphere is thick, and due to CO2, the temperature is rising. So how temperature is rising? So when sun's light and heat pass through Venus, which means it goes in the Venus, when it enters Venus's atmosphere and bounces off the Venus's surface, it doesn't go back due to its thick atmosphere and large amounts of carbon dioxide. Due to that, the sun's heat and light are trapped in Venus, causing the temperatures on Venus to be high. Did you know that Venus is named after a Roman god of love and beauty? Yes, and Venus is so bright that it's the third most brightest object after sun and the moon. So today's question is, what is the temperature of Venus? Please do write your answer in the comment section below and hit the subscribe button if you want to grow quicker on YouTube. So this is all in today's video. Thank you and meet us in other video.